Welcome back! Magpapapicture pa naman sana tayo.
O sige, magpapapicture pa naman sana ako, di ba? Mamaya-maya. Alam mo, sis, naisip ko lang, kinakabahan ako today.
We are so nervous. We don't know why,
kinakabahan.
but we are so nervous.
We are nervous.
Yes!
Nervous.
I don't know.
I have no
But
idea.
we're nervous. But since you're such a darling,
Eto na.
everything's worthwhile.
Eto na, i-grab na nating opportunity. Magpa-picture na tayo sa kanya.
Eto na.
I'm so sorry, but we really have to take your picture.
Oh, it's
Okay,
okay.
you guys first, and then... Wait, what happened to my camera?
Talaga?
Okay.
Kinuha
I'm sorry.
natin itong oras
Alright.
na ito?
1, 2, 3! Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3.
Mina live tayo.
Okay, my turn. My turn. I'm so sorry, Derek. I'm so sorry, guys.
Your
Solo.
turn.
Kamusta ka naman dyan? Okay.
So cute!
Alin na! Sadali, gusto ko pa sana tumabi ulit na mamaya na. Okay, we love David Archuleta since the first time we saw him in American Idol. At lalo pa tayong bumilib sa kanya na ipakita niya sa atin ang kanyang talent through different memorable performances that landed him in the finale.
Okay.
At ngayong umaga, ihahatid sa atin ng La Diva ang kantang pinili niya during the Beatles week na umani naman ang papuri sa mga judges. Ito ang Long and Winding Road.
Long and winding road, long and winding road to your door will never disappear. I've seen that road before. It always leads me here. Lead me to your door. Many times I've been alone, and many times I've cried. Anyway, you'll never know. So many ways I've tried, but still that leads me back to the long, winding road. You left me standing here a long, long time ago. Don't leave me standing here. Lead me to your
Thank you, La
La
Diva!
Diva. Ayan.
Thank
Thank you so much, ladies.
Wow, that was amazing.
Gusto niyo ba magpa-picture? We're staying here. We're staying
You guys sing so beautifully. Wow.
Thank you.
Great. Oh, pictures.
Picture too. I am the official photographer of SIS.
Okay.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was great, guys. Oh my gosh.
David, what can you say?
Beautiful.
What
Wow.
can you say?
Sorry?
What can you say about their performance?
That was like, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting like you guys harmonized and it was like all so like perfect. Perfectly harmonized. It was so good. That was great, you guys. How long have you been singing together?
Maybe a year.
A year?
They
Yeah.
all started in talent search.
Yeah, just like you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was 2005.
Ah, that's cool.
Ang galing na para
That's
wala tayo
neat.
sa Eric!
Great job.
Thank you. We have a request. What's your request?
Can we kiss him?
Ah! Oh my gosh, I don't know.
May we have a kiss from you?
18 lang siya. ha?
I don't know if you want to kiss me. I kind of.
Okay. Thank you, ladies. Okay,
Okay.
umpisa na natin ang tanungan with David. Okay.
Thank you.
Na-amaze siya. At what age did you start singing?
Oh, my, sorry.
What age? What age?
What age? I was probably like 6.
6? So what did you sing? What was the first song you learned?
Well, like the first thing that got me into music pretty much was when I watched this 10th anniversary tape of Les Miserables.
Oh,
And,
okay.
What,
When I was 6 and I couldn't stop watching it. I was just.
What was
I-
your favorite song?
Well, actually, the first song I ever learned was from Les Miserables,
Yeah,
pretty
how-
much, and it was called "Castle on a Cloud."
Castle.
So I was just like this little
Can you-
kid, like.
which sing of that? Which one sing a
I'm
bit?
not familiar with that
bit?
song.
Can
What?
you sing a bit of the song for us?
Oh, I don't know if I remember it. It was a while ago. There is a...
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That is fine. Yun palang okay na.
Castle on a cloud. I don't know. This is just...
Okay. Nakakaloka! Nakakaloka ako. What-
I had a lot
aside from
higher
the-
voice back
Aside
then.
from the Les Miserables songs, what songs did you grow up with?
What songs did I grow
What-
up with?
Yeah, what
You know,
songs did you listen to?
I grew up with a lot of my dad listened to a lot of jazz and like 70s music. So like Kansas and stuff. I don't know. I don't know if even.
So what is your
But-
favorite song now?
Oh, my favorite song now. Oh, I
now.
thought. Okay, sorry. My favorite song now.
Do you have a
Man,
favorite song?
it's hard to pick. You know,
It's
one of my
hard,
favorite
yeah.
ones right now is "I'm Yours," Jason Mraz.
Yeah, we love that song.
I love Jason. Isn't he great? How many of you guys like Jason Mraz? Oh, good. I like to see Jason Mraz fans.
Who's your favorite all-time performer?
Oh, man. Well, performer?
Yes.
All-time performer. I still think Michael Jackson's amazing. I think he's a great. I mean, he has a lot of, like, he has just had so many great songs,
Yes.
like, throughout his career that have been really inspiring to me. So he's really great. And then it's like, oh my gosh, so many good singers. Can I just name, like, a bunch of people?
Yeah, sure, go.
Okay, let's see. I really like Stevie Wonder.
Oh, yeah.
Of
Is
course,
amazing.
Stevie Wonder.
Jason Mraz. I like John Mayer.
Yeah.
John Mayer's great. Natasha Bedingfield. Actually, who else? Sarah Bareilles, yeah. And Natalie Cole and Michael Jackson.
A whole bunch
and
of them.
so many. And then there's like Mariah Carey, who's amazing. And
Ang dami.
there's just so many people that have like had influence and impact on me. They're just, man, I love music. I just have to say that.
We noticed.
Yeah.
Alright, nako, alam niyo ba mga sis na years before he joined American Idol ay nagkaroon na ito si David ng isang very special encounter sa Idol studio mismo. Nako, ikukwento
Kukwentuhan niya tayo mamaya
Ikukwento tayo
tungkol
mamaya
dyan.
ni David tungkol dyan sa babalik na live